Welcome to Boomhauer69's channel, and today Boomhauer is going to show another kind of unique, interesting, decorative knife I found on Amazon. This is called the Dark Side Blades. That's what it's called. Right here's the packaging. There's the serial number, and it also says Fantasy Knife Collection Dark Side Blade. There's what the bottom says. And then again, there's the serial number, the other side of the box. We'll open this knife up. Now this is a spring-loaded blade where when you hit the button it's like spring-loaded knife blade, but here's the actual knife itself. See if I can get a good lighting on it. There's what it looks like fully closed. There's the back side of the blade, the back side of the knife. And here's what the knife looks like fully open. You can tell it's got not a very good smooth acting, opening. Boy, the blades don't open very smoothly, but there's what it looks like. It's real shiny, that's why I got it, because I like the blue and how it shines. It's got a little bit of a tint of purple in it. I noticed when you kind of look at it, looks like it's got like a little tint of purple. I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not, but it's blue, because when I ordered it on Amazon, it said color was blue, but and there's the back side of the knife. Give you a little close-up here of it. And it's stainless steel. Says on the back, U.S. design, China made. It's made in China. I'll put the Amazon link in the description where you can get this, and also in the comment section. And if you like this sort of content, hit that red subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with everyone you know, and comment down below what you thought about this video.